Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our channel Genius Soch. So, dear students, today we are going to talk about action verbs. Okay, so let's start. Most verbs are action words. So, dear friends, जो भी हम क्रिया यूज करते हैं या जिनको हम वर्ब्स कहते हैं वो क्रियापद एक्शन वर्ड्स होते हैं, मतलब क्रिया दर्शाने वाले शब्द होते हैं. Verbs tell us the action of a subject. ओके, सब्जेक्ट कौन सी एक्शन करता है, कर रहा है या करने वाला है, इसके बारे में हमें वर्ब से पता चलता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, रन, ईट, ड्रिंक, कैच, स्लीप, जंप, गो, कम, क्लाइंब, रीड, फाइट, क्राई, लव, etc. are action verbs. Okay, now let's see. Encircle the verb that does not belong to the set of verbs in each row. Okay, मतलब यहाँ पर कुछ verbs दिए हैं लेकिन उन verbs के सेट में एक ऐसा verb है जो यहाँ पर मैच नहीं होता. We have to encircle that verb which do not match. Okay, let's see. Number one, eat, swallow, chew, gobble and chatter. Okay, maximum words are related with the eating. Okay, so the different verb is chatter. Okay, so chatter is, all these are the verbs. Okay, let's see. Second, seek, think, wonder, dream, decide. Okay, so think, wonder, dream and decide, all these things are with the mental activities. Okay, so sip is the different word. Okay, so sip is the, this does not belong to the set of words. Number three, race, run, walk, complete and stall. Okay, so let's see. So complete is the different word. Then sketch, draw, color, write and paint. Okay, so maximum words are related with the drawing. Okay, only the write is the show the activity of writing. Then number 5, add, read, subtract, multiply and divide. Maximum words are related with the mathematical calculation, dear friends. Only the read is different word. Alright. Then swing, slide, play, skip and sleep. Okay. So which one word is different? So sleep is the different. Okay. This is not related with the games. Then buy, stop, shop, pay and select. Okay, so maximum words are related with the shopping. Only the stop word is, which is little bit different and does not belong to the set of verbs. So stop. All right. Now I think you have understood all these things. Now complete the table. What are these verbs related to? हमें ये complete verb ये टेबल करना है और ये वर्ब्स किस चीजों से रिलेटेड होते हैं, कौन सी एक्टिविटीज को शो करते हैं. लेट्स सी. वी हैव सम किचन एक्टिविटीज, मेंटल एक्टिविटीज, क्लास एक्टिविटीज एंड गेम्स एक्टिविटी. ओके, तो हम शो करेंगे और जानेंगे दोस्तों कि किचन एक्टिविटी को शो करने वाले कौन से वर्ड्स होते हैं, मेंटल एक्टिविटी को शो करने वाले कौन से वर्ड होते हैं, क्लास एक्टिविटी और गेम्स में कौन से प्रकार के वर्ब्स यूज होते हैं. लेट्स डू इट. किचन एक्टिविटी, cook is the kitchen activity. Mental activity, think, mental activity. Study, class activity. Bowl means bowling करना, ये गेम एक्टिविटी है. ओके, चॉप काटना, किचन एक्टिविटी. मेंटल एक्टिविटी रिमेंबर, क्लास एक्टिविटी लर्न एंड थ्रो फेंकना, गेम एक्टिविटी. बेक, किचन एक्टिविटी. प्लान, मेंटल एक्टिविटी. टीच, क्लास एक्टिविटी. बैट, game activity. Slice, it's a kitchen activity. Mental activity is wonder. Class activity, write is the class activity. And catch, again it's the game activity. Okay, then toast, it's a kitchen activity. Dream, it's a mental activity. Read, it's a class activity. And kick, it's a game activity. Okay, I hope you have understood how to use different verbs to show different activities. Okay, actions. Now let's see and go one step forward to know more about the verbs and their uses. Okay, so complete these sentences with the nouns given in the word box. Alright, this is the word box given us. Okay, and we have to fill and complete the sentences. Okay, number one, mom made some delicious jam tarts. Okay, mom made some delicious jam tarts. Second, dad grilled some tasty kebabs. Dad grilled some tasty kebabs. Ravi laid the table. Ravi laid the table. Alright. Then Simi dusted the furniture. Simi dusted the furniture. Alright. Then next. Grandma fried the samosas. Grandma fried the samosas. Grandpa watered the garden. Grandpa watered the garden. Alright. He plucked some roses. He plucked some roses. Alright. I helped grandpa. I helped grandpa. Okay. So in this way we have to complete these sentences with the nouns given in the word box. I hope dear students you have understood all these things. Now what we have to do, now whatever these 8 sentences are there, now we have to find out subject in the sentence. Okay, we have to find out the subject of the sentence and we have to underline the verb. Okay, subject को हमें circle करना है और verb को underline करना है. Let's do it. Encircle the subjects in the sentences given above and underline the verbs. Let's do it. Okay, mom made some delicious jam tarts. So mom is the subject and made is the verb. Alright, mom made some delicious jam tarts. Let's do second. Dad grilled some tasty kebabs. Okay, so grilled is the verb, so underline, and dad is the subject. Okay, then Ravi laid the table. Okay, so laid is the verb here, underline, and Ravi is the subject. Number 4, Simi dusted the furniture. Simi is the subject. Okay, and dusted is the verb. Grandma fried the samosas. Grandma is the subject here, dear friends, and fried is the verb. Okay. Grandpa watered the garden. Grandpa is the subject again, and watered here is the action verb. Okay. He plucked some roses. He plucked. Okay. So subject he is the subject and plucked is the verb. Then I helped grandpa. I is the subject and helped is the action verb. Okay. So dear students, subject क्या होता है? So subject वो होता है जो action करता है. Subject does the action. Okay. And subject जो भी क्रिया करता है उसको हम action verb कहते हैं. Alright. I hope you have understood what is subject and what is verb. Also we will see in detail about subject and verb and the types of subject and the other types of verbs and what is again object. Okay, so till then, see you. Good day. Take care.